from the Mementos of the English Martyrs and Confessors for Every Day of the Year by Henry Sebastian Bowden of the Oratory. June 2nd, Reparation. Blessed John Storey, layman, 1571. In order to root out once more the ancient faith, Elizabeth inaugurated her reign by the Act of Conformity, and this persecuting measure evolved the strongest protest from Blessed John Storey, one of the very few Catholics now in Parliament. Taunted in reply with his severity of heretics, he only expressed his regret that he had not done more. For refusing to go to the Protestant Church, he was sent to the Fleet, but escaped to Belgium, was naturalized as a Spanish subject, and was appointed searcher of vessels by the Duke of Alva. He was now much troubled lest by his flight he had forfeited the martyr's crown, but his fears proved groundless. Entrapped on board an English vessel, he was conveyed to the Tower, racked, tortured, pestered by the fanatical preachers, and grossly insulted by the street rabble. He pleaded in vain that, as a Spanish subject, he was not subject to the jurisdiction of an English court, and he refused to recognize an excommunicated and deposed queen. Though nigh 70 years old, he bore unmoved his unjust trial, and endured with singular courage an execution of exceptional brutality. It was his constancy which animated the blessed champion to sacrifice himself for the same cause.